Okay, today's product review is Grace Caribbean Traditions fish seasoning. So what we're going to do now is I'm going in and I'm washing the fish up. We're going to try this on tilapia and see how well this season pulls up to other seasons. Be back. Okay, so I got the fish nice and clean, preparing it. We're going to go open up this season and see what this looks like. Ooh, interesting smell. Now, for those of you, I'm going to bake this. I'm not going to put it in the air fryer. For those of you that's also tracking your food, the very opaque app I was telling you about, you can literally scan this package and it will automatically put all the nutrients into the app for that particular. For this, it's actually 90 calories per fillet, with 20 grams of protein. Okay. Take a couple of these fillets. You want to space them. And we're going to try some of this good old season, see how this is going to kick off. Now, if I can figure out how to operate this top. Oh. You got to push it in. Okay. Now this is seasoning, so it doesn't matter how much you put on it because seasoning doesn't have any calories at all. So you put a little bit, put a whole lot, doesn't matter. It's not going to add any calories to this food at all. And it's just going to, this actually smells pretty good. I'm preheating the oven. Now, the way I normally do my fish is I'll cook it, flip it over, then re-season the other side, finish cooking it, and then bring it out. We're going to do a taste test, see how delicious it's going to look like. Hello. So, we're back. So, now time for the taste test. It smells pretty good. Oh, gosh. That is actually the herbs and the spice. I'm not really sure what that is. But the fish came out really tender because I baked it. Woo! It's hot. Woo! This actually came out really, really good. Now, this tilapia has only 40 milligrams of cholesterol, which is fairly low, only 13% of your daily intake, but 20 grams of protein. An average person should be eating at least 60 grams or more protein per day. This makes it worthwhile. So basically, this is how I did this was took out the tilapia, it was pre-wrapped, took it out, washed it, let it soak in water a little bit, bring it out, and I seasoned it, and then I baked it for about 12 to 15 minutes per side. When it was done, flipped it over, seasoned the other side, and it comes out almost mouth-watering. I could eat this if I didn't have a tooth in my mouth. Okay, so what would I rate this? 1 to 10? I would give this a solid 8.5. This is really, really good. This is not only healthy, but it's a very good alternative to frying fish, which makes it a complete disaster. Yes, this is really good. Until next time, family, take care.